Hey guys, how you doing today? So we have a 4-year-old battery out of my truck that has kind of gotten weak. In fact, it was manufactured July of 2022. It is now June of 2026, so it's about 4 years old, and it's become weak. And I thought I would see if the desulfation mode on a battery charger will indeed bring these batteries back to life. I think there's pretty good evidence that say that they will. So the first thing I want to do here is go ahead and top this battery off, and that's what I've got this charger doing. Is I've got it charging, but before it goes into desulfation mode, I'm going to stop it. We're going to do a battery test, and then we're going to see what the resistance is and how it tests, and then I'm going to put it in desulfation mode and let it do its thing, and we're going to see if it makes any difference. We'll do another battery test, see if the resistance is the same or if it's changed, and we'll see if there's any evidence that it did any good to this battery. Anyway, right now we're at a state of charge of 40%, so I'm just going to let this run until it gets to 100%, then I'm going to take it off of the battery charger. We're going to do a battery test, and then I'm going to let it go and let it do a desulfation or a repair mode. Okay guys, so the battery is fully charged. I took the charger off of it about an hour ago so that I can kind of let it stabilize and get to its resting state. So let's go ahead and hook this battery charger slash tester up, and let's see what it says about the charge of the battery. Specifically the resistance. We're just going to go to battery test. It is a regular flooded. We'll do cold cranking amp. 790. Hit OK. It is above 0C. Okay, and it's saying replace. Healthy 69%. It's saying that it's only the capacity is only about 656 amps. It is saying that it's 95% charged. The voltage has dropped down to 12.6. Whenever I took this off the battery, the voltage was about 12.9. So after that hour, it kind of came down. But the internal resistance is 4.46 mega ohm. So now what I want to do is I'm going to plug this charger back in. We're going to put it in repair mode, and we're going to let it desulfate the battery and see if that resistance changes any, and see if we can get it to say that the battery is good, or if it's still going to say that it tell us to replace it. So let's plug this back in. Go back to let's see here, standard mode, automotive. Okay, it's got normal battery and repair. That's what I want. Okay, so I'm just going to let that run. It may be overnight. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we'll see if it does anything that brings this battery back to life. Alright guys, so this is the next morning. We are in step 6 or repair mode. It says state of charge is 100%. I don't know how long it's going to stay in repair mode, but I'm just going to let it go until it finishes. And then we'll do another battery test and see what the resistance is and see what it says about the condition of this battery. Alright guys, so it finally went into step 8, which is pulse mode. And you can see if you watch the current, it's basically pulsing about almost 1 amp to 0 amps. And that's the kind of the trickle mode to keep it topped off. It probably ran for about 7 hours on the repair mode. So I'm going to remove the battery charger, and we're going to just let it sit for about an hour like I did when I just topped it off. And I'm going to let it stabilize, and then we're going to do the battery test on it and see if anything changed. All right, guys, so it's been about 1 hour. So let's get our tester hooked up here. Go here to battery test. Let's see if there's been any difference. 790, testing. Wow. So now it's saying healthy, 79%, charge is 100%, internal resistance is 4.17 milliohms, 702 is the what the capacity is saying it is, or the cold cranking amps, but it's saying good battery. I'm going to let this sit a little longer. We'll try it again maybe tomorrow and see if it still says that. I'm actually kind of shocked that now it's saying good battery. All right, guys, so let's do a test of this battery and see if it's going to test any different than what it did. The first time. Go over here to battery test. Regular flooded. Cold crank amp should still be set to 790. And the milliohms is down a little bit, 3.96. Was 4 something milliohms. And it's showing healthy. It's showing 739 amps now. Now it is 100% charged up. It's saying good battery. I'm going to go ahead and let it sit till tomorrow, and we're going to check it again just to see if it still says good battery. So far it does look like it's put a little bit of life into it. Okay, guys, so the battery has now been sitting for 4 days while I've been at work, and we're going to test this and see if it still shows to be a good battery. Now, before, even after it came off the charger, the regular charger, whenever I did this, it showed to replace the battery. Then I put it in repair mode. I did that twice. But we checked it again shortly after it just came off the charger. I let it sit about 2 or 3 hours, I think, and it showed to be good. And then now it's been about 4 days. So let's go over here to battery test. We'll go to regular flooded. Should still be all our current settings. And let's see what it says. Bobby dang, it's still showing to be good battery, healthy, 86%, 736 amps. The voltage is down to 12.55. You know, I don't know, and the resistance is now 3.98 milliohm. I don't know if doing this a couple more times would improve that, but I'm impressed. I'm impressed that the desulfation mode, or the repair mode, seems to have actually gave this battery a little bit more life left. In fact, I think what I am going to do, let's go back. Let's go over here to, how did I get to that? Was it standard charging? Automotive. Yeah, normal battery and repair. I'm just going to do this again. Why not? Anyway, this was just a test of the desulfation mode, or the repair mode, that this Foxwell battery charger has. A lot of battery chargers have the same thing. I've always been kind of curious, does it really work? You know, obviously you'd have to know that your battery's sulfated and not like have a dead cell from something else or whatever. But it's definitely worth giving a shot if you've got a weak battery like I have here, to see if it'll help bring it back to life. Anyway, just a little experiment, I guess. to see if this would actually bring any life back to this battery, and it appears to have done it. You guys take care.